Okay, September 12th, 2024. Another Jeep has come to join our stable. I'm pretty sure it's just going to be for parts. So it's a 98 with the 5.9 limited edition package on it, which comes with these upgraded wheels, 5.9 liter engine, louvered hood, luxury package. Those are sort of cut in. Something I just noticed that says use premium fuel only. If we take this 5.9 out to rebuild for ours, we'll research and find out how we need to build it back where we can just use regular gas in it, because I have no intentions of running premium gas. Okay, I smelled the gas before I turned, the battery was dead. Before I put another battery in it and turn the switch to see if I hear the fuel pump, I'm going to smell that gas. I smelled it a while ago. I think it smells okay, but I'm going to siphon a little bit out and make sure. I don't want to turn that switch on and it pump bad gas up into the injectors. But I haven't seen any body damage on it. The front windshield is cracked, but all the other glass is good. Doors are good. Bumpers are good from what I can tell. I think that's a scuff, but I don't think that's hurt. All the lens bezels are good. This rear window glass, everything's good on it. And I like this. See, this is that one that you don't have to mind. You've got to get into it, you got to lift the lift gate. This one, you just lift the glass. I don't know how you get it, undo it, but anyway. So we'll see how this one goes once we get a little further. We're charging the battery, but I think that battery may be dead. If anybody wants these wheels, I'm looking for a set of 96, 97, 98 wheels, or regular rally wheels in the gold color. And I would swap these for those wheels. I also have another set of these 93 to 95 rally wheels painted in silver that I will swap. But if you need parts for a 98, maybe a 96, 97, I don't know what all parts this one will fit. But if you need parts for one, so that luggage rack up there, everything looks good on it. Interior's pretty much shot. I guess you could redo seats. You see, I don't know whether those electric seats, these may be electric heated seats. These had memory seats in them. Memory and heated, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I say you've got doors, you've got skins, you've got switches. There's all kind of stuff in here. A lot of this stuff may work for me. I'd like to have that hood on mine, but I don't want to have to repaint. And this 5.9 is basically the same engine, blockheads and everything is at 5.2. I think it's just got a longer stroke or maybe a wider bore, a bigger bore. But I think most all this stuff, I think the intake, throttle body, I think valve covers, heads, I think all this stuff's interchangeable. But I'll have to do research on that. I'm not sure. If anybody does know for sure, you can let me know. Well, I said the air filter, all this stuff is just like mine. Power, computer, all this stuff's in the same location. Now I'm noticing heater hoses, they blocked these off. The heater, the heater core must be leaking. They just recirculating those heater hoses. But we will see. But like I say, let me know if you need body parts. We'll probably be getting a battery in this thing and checking it out more tomorrow. But like I say, we're going to make sure we got good gas before we turn that switch and pump fuel, bad fuel, up to the injectors. Yeah, grill. Now she's replaced these bezels, these light bezels. If they'll fit mine, I may use them because I need mine. Are all fogged up. I might be able to use those. We'll just have to see. But this one also has a full-size wheel and tire. It came like like mine, like my 95 came with. Oh, that thing is heavy. Full-size tire and 5th rally wheel. So if anybody wants those rally wheels, if you've got, now they'll work for me. I want some 16-inch tires. So if I can't swap for the 96, 97, 98 regular rally wheels, I'll use these wheels and put 16-inch tires on them for mine. I may take these brakes. 97 doesn't have disc on the back. I may take the disc brakes off the back, or may take all the brakes off this 98 and put on the 97. But yeah, I hope that battery's good. I'll use that battery in mine. Battery and a tire, and this one will be back on the road. May have to put the do some transmission work on it again, but so anyway, we'll see, and we'll dig into this more tomorrow. Thing, I would like to have a power driver seat in saddle color for this one. This one's not that bad, but it has to have a tear in it and a seam tore. I want to get this one cleaned up maybe tomorrow or Saturday too, if I don't go to South Georgia. Do some videoing for YouTube. Okay, well that'll be a wrap. I will get in here, get this one put together and uploaded. Yeah, the interior of this one is almost pristine. And I've got 2 front seats. This passenger seat is pristine. The driver's seat is not that bad, but I've got 2 front seats in that same color that are pristine to go back in that one. And that interior will be almost pristine, full carpet and everything.